Hello friends, this is Aki from Weekend Wallet. This video will be all about using a hybrid SIM adapter for installing two SIMs and a memory card in a hybrid SIM slot. Okay. So this is the way a phone will look like, and it's pretty impressive. So let's get started. For this you need a cutter, usually a smaller one, and then a bigger cutter, maybe, not sure. And then of course 360-degree case, and then also memory card, and this is sticky notes, and then here comes the paper tape, wipes from your specs or maybe professional wipes, and this is hybrid SIM adapter, and this is stamping. And obviously we will be using this phone. I have Redmi 4, and obviously a file is pretty much needed because a lot of work has to be done with this sort of tool. And now let's see what we have under the hood. And this is the previous thing I've installed. It's all worn out and damaged. Okay, so it's almost gone, so it's time to install a new one. Corners are gone. It's a remote area, and then nothing to call a storage because I haven't installed memory card yet. So let's remove a damaged 360-degree case. See, it's gone, a lot of it. You can trace this out if you have done that before, but because I'm showing it for the first time on YouTube, so I'll do it from scratch. Not an issue. You can just keep them over each other and then make the marking. Now this is the 360-degree case you get. You can get it from any online website or street side. I got it from street side, Mumbai, in collab. While using one-handed mode with 360 guard on, but it would work, I think. Tell me in comments if one-handed mode is working after installing 360 case. Now first we put on the screen guard, and then we install the hybrid SIM adapter. Now there are a lot of videos on YouTube how to install a hybrid SIM adapter. You can have a look on that, and it's not a big issue, but walk in the park. And then you see we have our memory card. Here we go. And then we have two SIM cards, obviously. Now time to trace out and make some way for our hybrid SIM adapter in this 360-degree case. Just keep it over. Just have an impression of the ink from the stamp pad on your hybrid SIM adapter like this, and then what you have to do is simply put on the tape. Now first we're gonna put on the chocolate, obviously. And then we're gonna do what we're gonna do is put on the back cover with tape. Now keep pressing it gently, keep pressing it. Yeah, it will do good. We'll be fine soon. Let's see what we got. Okay, it's good. Yeah, it's a little off the mark, but I think it's good. We can work it out. Now we have to cut the boundary of this marking. Now I'm gonna use the damaged screen guard which I have removed from the screen to mark the boundary of this impression. Very gently. Okay. Now peel off the marked part, because now we're gonna cut it out with the help of this cutter. Okay, very good. Now we're gonna put some hard work here and try to cut it deep. It's not that hard, the 360-degree cover, but the thing is, it's not that soft either. So after making some initial marking which will be visible, we peel off the tape and then we have to work out this area, the marked one. Now you may use bigger cutter, but I would prefer this one. Okay, let's fast forward. Now I'm getting through this plastic. It's not that good quality plastic, but you need some hard work to really go through it, penetrate it. This is the worst part of the video. Just wait. And if you don't like cutting, just heat up your cutter and take it through the cover. Now they're done with the 3 sides. The 4th one would be automatically going out. Okay, fine. So anyone with common sense can just dig a hole like this. Okay, it's not a hole, it's a rectangle, but yeah. Now let's see. No, not fitting. So it's not fitting and we have to file it. File it a lot. Filing. Johnny, yes papa. Filing, yes papa. Okay, let's see how much time we need. It took me a lot of time to file this thing and shape it over and over again, but just do not overfile it, because you need just it to just fit in there and nothing else. Overfiling would be bad, I think. And after filing, I think that I got the pretty much 90% of the shape. Okay, and after everything is done, it will be a piece of art, trust me. And people will ask you that, hey, where did you get this design from? Or what's that mobile? What's that thing in your mobile? So yeah, it's amazing to work like this. I mean, there are a lot of videos on YouTube, but no one has attempted anything like this before. And if you go watch, you will surely believe me. And if you are liking my work, then just hit the subscribe button, because it would help me a lot. It will help me a lot to raise my YouTube channel to some good levels, because right now we are 300, 309, and we need a lot of support. Okay, fine. I think it's fitting now. Okay. Yeah, it's good. Now let's see if our storage and sims are working. Yeah, you're good. So it was a great experience working, and if you like my work, then do share it with your friends. Anyone have a phone with hybrid sim slot can go and watch this video if you share this video with them. And after doing the filing, we have this final product, and I just wiped off the markings of ink on the SIM card and that exposed part with the help of alcohol, and I think it's like wearing off the 360-degree case, but this is not an issue. I think it's the quality. Also, I just put in a tape here, because anytime your phone falls, the makeshift would even work. So this tape would protect your slot from getting out. And yeah, jugs are most welcome. So this is it. If you like the video, do hit like. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe. And any of your friends having a phone with hybrid SIM adapter, share this video with those friends. And yeah, see you soon. Thanks. This is Ricky from Rick and Waller signing off.